Warning, XRP holders, we're seeing quite a sell-off after making new all-time highs, but is it time to be worried or is it time to buy this dip? We're going to be talking about that today, so without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Anything I say is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, we're going to start off here on Crypto Twitter. You can follow me at 3the3 Blacksea. I say, I do not think XRP is done just yet. Higher highs to come. You know, it's crazy that no matter how long I'm in crypto for, it's been almost over a decade at this point, and anytime the price goes up or anytime the price goes down swiftly, even if it's not a significant amount, the type of emotion I see spring up in the market. Now, I will say, for where the market's at right now, it's awfully quiet. Awfully might be the wrong term because it's a good thing that it's quiet. Retail hasn't truly gotten back here just yet, and that's why I do think that we're not done. XRP is not done. I think we're going to be seeing higher highs play out. So looking at XRP right now, we have broken back below a very important support level. This level was basically the all-time high, and we closed above it, and I said, that's pretty bullish. And you look at the weekly time frame, and this is the most important time frame, in my opinion, when it comes to this bullish structure, okay? Closing below this level at $3.31 on the weekly time frame, I wouldn't love it. I wouldn't love it. This is a warning out there, right? I wouldn't love it. Like, if we do close below it, I would say, yeah, there's maybe a good chance that we start to chop around a little bit. But, guys, regardless, I do want to say I still believe in altcoin season. I still believe in higher highs into Q4 2025. Maybe we're seeing some alts front run that a little bit, like what we're seeing with XRP right now. When you saw Bitcoin touch 123,000, some alts had to get some of that liquidity, and XRP's rank 3, guys. It's going to be the first alt to get that liquidity right after Ethereum, okay? But the weekly time frame is very important to be looking at. Looking at Market Cipher, you see this blue momentum wave is still light blue, so they're still climbing here. The money flow is increasing. The VWAP is coming down a little bit, so that's okay. Like, I do want to say that on the weekly time frame, do I want to see us close over $3.31 to see bullish continuation in the short term? Yes, I want to see that. Is it the end of the world and we're going straight to zero if we close below $3.31 on the weekly? No, that's not going to happen. It just opens up the potential for more chop. More chop before we make that big break to say $4 or $5.50, those two price targets that I have lined up here. Now, guys, I have a 6-figure XRP trade open right now. I have a stop loss at about the top of this candle closure back in July 14th at about $3, and I believe it's like $3.18 to 19 cents, $3.20. I'm kind of playing around with the level just based on how each trading day kind of performs, and I'm shifting it. But regardless, if I do hit that level, I will be stopped out in the profit. Guys, if you do want to trade with me, feel free to check out in the description box below or pin comment down below. We have a lot of fantastic sign-in bonuses. We have a $100,000 deposit bonus to BitNext. We have a 10% trade rebate and $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin, and many other fantastic sign-in bonuses to many other exchanges. They're all affiliate links, so if you want to help support this channel, please feel free to check them out, guys. And I do think that it's not time to panic just yet for XRP. And I say just yet because, guys, in crypto, there's always times to be excited and there's always times to be panicking, but as long as you are using money, you're not afraid to lose, you're not over invested, then you shouldn't be feeling those emotions just too much. And I know that's easier said than done. You know, I know it's kind of a meme when people say don't invest more than you're willing to lose, because it's inevitable. It's inevitable, especially if you're new to trading and investing, to over leverage or to over invest, because you see some of those gains and you say, well, what if it goes 10x from here? What if it goes 100x from here? Well, then I should put all my money in. Guys, be careful. Don't do that. Please don't do that. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. That's not financial advice, but I want to see you guys be profitable. It took me a long time to become a profitable trader. It was trial by fire, guys. Yeah, I always tell people you got to lose 6 figures to make millions. It's as simple as that. And it's trial by fire, guys. It's not easy. But that being said, I do expect XRP to break up to higher price levels. But in the meantime, this weekly time frame is very important, around 3 days and 23 hours, about 4 days left here. We want to see this close above $3.31. But If it doesn't, it's okay. We're going to take it week by week. But on the daily time frame, we're seeing just a little bit of a push down below it. You see the momentum wave. It's curling to the downside. That's absolutely fine. Market ciphers, the money flow is important, all right, guys? The money flow is important. It is increasing significantly. So even if the momentum wave is clipping down and the money flow is going up, I think that there's a higher likely chance that we're chopping around sideways than seeing like a big capitulation to the downside, guys. And looking at the overall market, Bitcoin's trading at nearly $120,000. Bitcoin dominance, guys. I knew this was going to happen. This is what I was saying. You know, we saw that big push down from, we were about like 67%, and we came all the way down to 59.5%, including stablecoins. And now we're at about 61%, excluding stablecoins, we're basically at 63%. I've been saying Q3, you know, yes, when Bitcoin makes this big rally to the upside, you're going to see some rotation into alts, but I don't expect it to be that big washout to the downside where you see massive money flow from basically massive rotation of liquidity from Bitcoin into alts. I don't think that comes. If it does come, it's going to be in Q4 2025. And I do think that there will be an altcoin season. I just think we have to wait a little bit here. You look at XRP, guys, and we got to wait for it to load here. We're sitting below a $200 billion market cap now at $190 billion. And guys, I just want you to realize that whenever you see big volatile swings to the upside, you need to see a little bit of a pullback. You can't just go straight up forever. And the higher you do that and the longer you do that, those straight moves to the upside, the bigger the breakdown. So this is honestly quite healthy to see this type of move. I just want to see the weekly close above $3.31. But looking at XRP, guys, we're still ranked 3, up about 6.5% in the past 7 days, down about 8 to 9% in the past 24 hours. A big little washout, big and little. It is a little washout, but in hindsight, it's going to be a little washout. But guys, I know it can be spooky when you see your coin make a big drawdown, but guys, it's ranked 3 for a reason, all right? And you look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is continuing to. Bitcoin looks very bullish, all right? Guys, we're just cooling off a little bit, trading sideways. We're not even breaking down, all right? We're just trading sideways, and I want to see market cipher on the momentum wave on the weekly time frame. I want to see this light blue wave close above the 60 line. If not, like I said, it's okay. Really, the big time frames are still positioned for bullish price structure. So really, there's not much to freak out about, but I know I see people on the timeline kind of freaking out about XRP. So I just wanted to come out here and give you guys my analysis and my thesis on XRP and what I think is happening here and where I think we're going to be headed here. I'm still in my 6-figure XRP long position. I do think that there's a world where I do get stopped out, but I'm going to lean more towards that's an opportunity to layer into another trade because I'll be stopped out on the profit. But I always take profit along the way, guys. I'm not a guy that's going to, once my trade's in the profit, I take that profit, even if it gets drawn down to my stop loss. I've always had my stop loss in the profit, so it's as simple as that. But guys, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Are you bullish on XRP? Do you think that the top is in? I can't believe I'm saying that because some people are actually asking me, like in messages, DMing me saying, Blacksea is the top in for XRP. Guys, be patient. It's too early to be even thinking about that stuff. The party's just getting started, in my opinion, and I think that, yeah, maybe we cool off for a couple weeks. But regardless, I think that by the end of 2025, we're going to be seeing higher highs with XRP and many other altcoins. That's all I got, guys. Please, if you want to help support this channel, check out those awesome affiliate links down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.